Time to dispose of the evidence. Clean the bathroom. Right. Take it slow. We don't want it to spill. Oh, hey, Oren. What are you doing? Uh-oh, it's gonna blow! Oh, never mind. A block. Let's add it to the collection. Now our Doughy the Dough Man is complete. Ooh, is it playtime already? Wait, watch out for that foot! He always wanted to be a mosaic. Just be happy it wasn't a cleat. You know, I think Doughy's started a brand new trend. Ooh, a new phone. Time for a little unboxing. Guess your new phone doesn't come charged. Don't worry, we'll get you plugged in. Ooh, guess we're out of potatoes. Let's hope it works. Oh, I jinxed it. Quick, grab the fire extinguisher. That phone was insured, right? Well, it's no big deal. The box is more fun anyway. Carve it in half and slice it up into pieces. Fill up the holes with tiny number boxes. Add a screen and try out your new phone. Look at those contacts. Somebody's popular. Just remember proper phone etiquette. Let's blow up a balloon. We might need to outsource. Great. Now grab a piece of construction paper. Slice it up into ribbons and twist them together. Soon, you'll have a paper spring. Add some odds and ends and make a bunch. Now your balloon's got some legs. Let's put a nice face on things. It's Catnap, and he's in good company. Ooh, these guys sure have a spring in their step. Hey, look, a Doughy the Dough Man bling bag. You get your own Doughy. And wow, a box. Last but not least, a mystery prize. Let's see, a scary face. Next, a sad face. Well, gray skies are gonna clear up, so put on a happy face. I wonder what the box has got next. A hat. Doughy sure is a dapper guy, but he's kinda stiff. You need to be more flexible. Let's start by taking a seat. Try it out. Hope it doesn't pop. Sorry, I'm such a jinx today. Yeah, I think she just got the point. Here's what we'll do. Slice up some gel balls. Give it a good squeeze to fill up some two-sided tape. Make it nice and round, but leave room for squish. We're gonna need two. Now sit down and relax. Wow, that hair looks totally magical. So why don't you try a pixie cut? Besides, we can use these strands for our next craft. Fold the ribbons into the middle. Hey, look, it's our old pal Sunny Buddy. And it looks like he's got a cool trick for us. Stay tuned, and he'll do a double helix. Whoa, stretchy dinosaurs! Let's grab a bunch. They don't all have wings, but they're still gonna fly. Some say they have eyes in the back of their heads. But this dino's got one better. Another mouth! Fill it up with clay, and he'll make pasta. But I think she's in the mood for meatballs. Better yet, let's whip up a new doughy. Don't forget the hat. It's his thing. Aw, what cute little stress balls. But the best part has gotta be the filling. Still, with the extra space, there's more room to squish. And just look at that stretch! It goes on for days. She's gonna sleep good tonight. It's arts and crafts time. So here comes the paper dolls. What do you think they want? Hey, an egg. Wow, it's a tiny red T-Rex, and it's got bite. We should give our new friend a hand. Anyone up for whack-a-mole? With extra whacking. What? We're low on moles. You really should stay inside the lines. No brush, no worries. Just use a stencil. Let's have some fun and mix up the colors. Yeah, this last one should speed things up. Wait, this is no ordinary dough man. It's a dough woman, the bride of dough man. Even if you can't paint, you can still enjoy the show. Are you hungry? Let's hope not, because that's not food. But it's all right. It's much more fun to squish. Now give it a good spritz. Time for a shave? That's one way to wash your hands. Now why don't we pinch those cheeks? Plus a little extra. It's poking time. Double the bubbles, double the fun. Wow, the sky just laid an egg. What's inside? A baby chick. Well, that seems normal enough. At least until you give her a good stretch. Marshmallow chicks have nothing on you. Ooh, she laid an egg. Wow. Anyone want breakfast? Well, time to get cracking. What, are you adding salt to taste? Now, let's heat things up. Give it a stretch. Who says you can't play with your food? Let's play a game. Customize some Sprunki friends. They're cute, but they could use some faces. Just add water. Maybe we should just draw them on. Kind of blank, but to each his own. Maybe get these guys a towel or something. Ray looks sleepy. Wake up! up! The sun is shining! Why don't you let the light inside you? Here's a little something to wash it down with. I think someone needs a quick shave. This is why I said quick, not good. Either way, keep digging. Here comes the sun. Ooh, who knew the sun was so absorbent? Careful, don't squish his face too hard. Warren's feeling lighter than air these days. You probably should have covered those spikes. Hey, the confetti! There's something inside. A marker? Let's add some color to this tape. Now throw on some sprinkles. Is that clear? Hey, what are you chewing? Is that clay? Wait a minute, it's our old pal Sky. Well, rainbows always go with sky. And so does a whole lot of air. Who turned off the lights? Darnold? Aw, got a headache. This should help. More importantly, we've got crafting supplies. Run this needle through the glue and around the balloon. Give it a quick pop, and the yarn should stay in place. Add eyes and a bow, and it's Pinky. And look, she really lights up a room. Durple's got a good head on his shoulders, but he won't be standing tall for long. Maybe we should start from scratch. Like our purple Durple paper doll. Sprunkies, like onions, come in layers. Rolling your eyes? Well, I thought it was funny. Mr. Tree's here for a pruning, and just in time. To be fair, I guess a worm's gotta eat too. And you've got all sorts of stuff in your leaves. We'll put this bag to better use. Fill it with paint. Add clucker on top and squeeze those pores. Ooh, an apple! It's filled with slime! Aw, I was hoping for a worm. Either way, let's slice up a cucumber. It's got slime too, and it's pink. Add some glue and keep on mixing. Now wrap it up with double-sided tape. Let's put a happy face on things. And we've got Pinky. Chocolate ice cream. Uh-oh. Okay, that's impressive, but I still wouldn't eat it. Doggy's got what you need. Some paper. Cut it up and roll it into a cone. Add a straw right at the bottom. Now fill it up with plastic wrap. Next, blow it up like a great big balloon bubble. Looks like somebody got the point. What we need here is a plant expert, Vineria. These thorns will help her move across the board. And pretty soon, she's won the race. Wow, a claw machine! Put in $1 and let's go! Who you gonna pick? Ooh, you got a pinky! Let's see if we can get the whole collection. So, what are you gonna do with them all? Looks like it's gonna be a great big bash tonight. These balls sure like to get around. But why don't we help them stay more grounded? Move from the fast lane to some slice of life. Looks like all your friends want to settle down too. Ooh, a Happy Meal. Oh, right, your tip. What's inside? Ooh, I hope there's a toy. Even better, it's an Orenburger. Oh, it's disgusting. That's a nasty patty. It's so gross, and yet we can't look away. So why don't we give it a makeover? Might as well pop a few of these pimples. Honestly, it's all just one sticky mess. Still, it's kind of fun to squish around. Let's see what else is in here. Not sure what it is, but it sure is sticky. It's not exactly an ideal snack, but it still seems fun to play with. Well, would you like fries with that? Never mind, blocks are more fun anyway. You can make anything, like fries. What? Fries are still pretty neat. Don't forget to share. Laundry day already? Well, get things turning. Wait a minute, that's not laundry. We're mixing up a special brew. But something tells me we're still gonna clean something. Here, Ratty, you could use our special water beads. Now let's pour out our special concoction. Next, our secret bath bomb powder. Because baths, like coffee, are just better with foam. Hey, you got a little something. It's a magic cleaning flower. It's got a dirty job, but someone needs to do it.